Today, we're taking a look at the Caroma Liano Freestanding Bathtub. The Caroma Liano Freestanding Bathtub is available in 3 sizes: 1525, 1675, and a compact 1400 millimeters. If you're 5'10" or taller, we recommend that you opt for the largest bath in this range for the ultimate bathing experience. These size variations give you the choice to find the perfect fit for your bathroom without compromising on style. Both the 1400 and 1525 millimeter baths have one reclined end for comfortable seating while soaking in the tub, whereas both ends are reclined on the larger 1700 millimeter bathtub for the ultimate relaxation experience. The acrylic material creates a high gloss finish that is stain and scratch resistant, whilst also allowing for the bath to be incredibly lightweight for ease of installation. Designed in a bold, square shape, this bathtub is a luxurious statement piece. If you need a little more room, you can simply install this bathtub against a wall or corner to create additional space in your bathroom. For a bold and luxurious statement piece in your bathroom, the Caroma Liano Freestanding Bath is the perfect choice for you. We'd love to help make your next project a blue space renovation, so give us a call today. For more information and to view our complete range, visit thebluespace.com.au.